3116 is a forensic light kit for detecting criminally significant traces at the crime scene or in the laboratory. The kit consists of forensic light sources, an imaging device for capturing physical evidence, and safety goggles with light filter. With its help, an expert can easily detect and capture traces of various substances and materials. Traces of blood, soot from a shot, gun grease, a liquid of biological origin on dark clothing, and other traces. Forensic light sources feature high-intensity LEDs of different spectrum: white, ultraviolet, blue, and infrared. The waterproof and shock-resistant metal device body guarantees a long service life. The kit includes 8 removable batteries that provide at least 4 hours of continuous operation of the light source. The brightness of the LEDs remains constant regardless of the battery charge level. An adapter and a power supply unit are also included, allowing you to connect the sources to the AC network. The imaging device is equipped with 2 autofocus cameras and cut-off camera filters that allow you to capture physical evidence in the visible and infrared ranges. The results can be viewed on a display with a diagonal of 6.4 inches in HD resolution, as well as broadcast the image via Wi-Fi or cable to an external monitor. In the laboratory, the device can be mounted on a special tripod to completely free your hands during the examination. And when searching for traces at the crime scene, the imaging device and the light source are fixed on a special handle. The received data can be stored in the device's internal memory or transferred to an external drive. For the safety of the expert, the kit includes safety goggles with light filters for visual observation of blue light fluorescence, as well as work with ultraviolet light, and special shutter blocks the lateral flow of light. Forensic Light Kit 3116 is a well-designed and reliable solution.